Hey guys, Glenn with the Revolution Barbecue here, and we do a lot of road trips, and we wind up in Airbnbs, and it's like the lottery. You never know what you're gonna get. So it's breakfast time, and when we do our road trips, we roll a little heavy, so not everybody has sandwich meats and stuff and bagels like we do, but that's how we roll. We just try to get where we're going. We make sandwiches, everything in the car, and don't make stops. So not everybody has this, so sorry, but this is how we roll. So happen to have some bagels. Gonna drop those in our Airbnb toaster. Got a little bit of sandwich meats we didn't use yesterday. I'm gonna pop those in the microwave for a few seconds. I'll figure out how to use this. Ooh, that says a minute. I better not do that. Keep an eye on that. They had some avocado oil, and I think that means stop. So we call these magic eggs for our grandson, Cohen. So I'm just gonna, this is a giant cup. So I'm gonna do 2 eggs today. Depending on the size of your coffee mug, you might just only get away with 1, but we're gonna do 2. And yes, we do roll the Revolution barbecue spices, and I'm gonna say, let's not eat that. It's not that nutritious. But yeah, we do roll with our spices, so I happen to have some of our SPG. We're gonna just mix that up. And we're gonna do some microwave eggs. We call them magic eggs for our grandson. But we're doing microwave eggs this time because basically there's a pan about that big and a giant wok in this Airbnb. So I didn't want to wok some eggs this morning. So I'm gonna take this, I'm gonna pop it in the microwave. And this guy, I'm gonna do maybe a minute. Not quite. Flavorings, we happen to have a little mayonnaise, so we'll pop a little mayo in there. A little meat lube, a little sandwich lube. We're spinning around, 40 seconds left. All right, so we're gonna do a little mayonnaise. We got a little ham. We got some pepper jack cheese. I'm gonna throw that in the eggs when they get going. Let's see, we're almost there. The bagels. Have we stopped this? Yeah, we're almost there. Get a little mayo action down. I can get the mayo out without exploding everywhere. I feel it gonna explode. There we go. All right, we're up on our minute here. 3, 2, 1, blast off. Let's see where our egg is. And that's why we call it magic egg. It's magic. Let's get a little bit of wobble in there. You can see a little bit of liquid. So I'm gonna throw our cheese on now. Like that, and I think maybe 30 seconds more. I don't know how to do 30, so we'll just hit 1 and see what happens. Just have to keep an eye on it. Something to get that out with. Alright, there we go. I also tell the other magic part about this is that that's nuclear. It will melt your face off, so that's pretty magical as well. So we're gonna get our ham down on there, and we'll do a little flippy-do action. If it's gonna cooperate. Is it gonna cooperate? No. Alright, didn't want to pop out. Cheap oil. There we go. Here's a beautiful egg. Pop that on top. Actually, I'm gonna do a little more SPG, a little spidge. And there you go. While you eat crappy food or have to go out and eat, make a nice little breakfast sandwich right there in your Airbnb. I'm really afraid to eat that, but look at that gooey cheese right there. This shit's gonna be like molten lava, but we'll give it a try. Oh, there's some cheese pull. Yeah, that's a whole lot better than going out for fast food. So next time at your Airbnb, just improvise. Thanks for watching.